Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Bojangles. We got another video to check out. It's actually another trailer for an anime coming out in 2021. 2021 is about to be the year, man. This is Record of Ragnarok. I've literally read the first, I would say, 2 to 3 chapters, and it's a freaking banger. It's an absolute banger. Artwork is amazing. So let us see how they're going to animate this. And I don't know when it's coming out, but it's 2021. This is about to be a big year for this channel for 2021 because there's a lot of anime I actually want to check out for next year because it goes straight from manga. Straight from the manga to this. Woo. All right, so without further ado, let's get on with it. Let's get it. All right, let's see how it looks. All right, so for those people that don't know what this is basically just a tournament anime. It is gods versus humans. Literally. The gods pick their fighters, humans, and all the humans of history. They pick fighters from the entire human history. So you're going to get some historical lessons. You're going to get some philosophical lessons. And you're going to see people like Jack the Ripper is going to be there. Is going to be in it. Yeah, Jack the Ripper is going to be fighting against a god. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Zeus. She's the one that suggested.
Ragnarok.
It's basically just explained it for you. Oh, let's see it. Let's see it. It's gonna be the first battle. Yep. That is Thor, by the way. That guy is Thor. That is Thor. And that's Mjolnir. It's so over the top. Wait, did I say Thor? Hold on, I'm about to go back. Yeah, Thor. I forget who that the guy he was fighting. He's a Chinese Lu Bu. Yeah, Lu Bu. China's strongest warrior. That's the first fight. That's the first fight.
It's party time.
My face is cracking, my god. Oh my god. Bruh, there are so many bangers coming out next year. I'm not ready. I'm not ready, bro. I'm not ready. Oh my god. Bruh, I am not ready for this year, for next year, bro. Let's just hope a lot of these are good and not just hype. But yeah, Record of Ragnarok, I'm hyped for. I'm super hyped for. So let's just check out some of these other trailers. There are a couple other ones that I haven't seen. That I have yet to see. Alright, so I'm gonna check out Mushoku Tensei. Truck-kun. The truck is the #1 perpetrator of isekai people. So if you get hit by a truck and die, you're gonna get isekai.
眩しい。まだ生きてやがる。てかここはどこ？病院じゃないのか？もしかするとここは。いや、ここは地球ではない別の世界だ。剣と魔法の世界だ。
ルーデウス。
どうやら俺は生まれ変わったらしい。
ルディは本が好きだから。ありがとうございます、母様。
男なら心の中に一本の剣を持っておかねばならん。
魔術にも歴史があるんですね。当然です。
子供を装っててもダメか。
教えて。
girl Roxy.
特別にエリスって呼ぶことを許してあげるわ。特別なんだからね。僕今とても楽しいです。
Yeah, it's a harem, guys.
こんな毎日がずっと続いてほしい
Well,
で
it's
す。
a romance, but like he gets tons of girls.
全てを押し流し、あらゆるものを駆逐せよ。夢に
まるで夢のようだ。
Oh my god, they're
ドラ
gonna
ッグに
show
惹かれて死
him.
にかけてる俺が
Are they gonna show that
も
part
し
where
そう
he
だと
fights
しても
that
構わない
guy?
この世界なら俺にだってできるんじゃないだろうか。
ルディ、頑張れ。
人並みに生きて人並みに努力して
大丈夫ですよ。私がついていますから。
つまずいても立ち上がってなお前を向いて。
できたよルディ。
無職の引きこもりでクズな俺でも人生をやり直すことが本気で
I
生
think
き
that's
てい
what
く
every
こ
dude
と
would love to have. Just once a start. A jobless reincarnation. Woo! Alright, alright, so that one. Oh. Alright, so that one right there. Mushoku Tensei. It's like one of the first isekais that ever came out, which I found out about. And it's a lot about it's your typical type of isekai, but the story is what the world building in the story is way more vast than a typical isekai is. A lot of isekais are very surface level, not much goes into it. This one is very, very deep. And the one big thing is, yeah, he's strong, but it's done in such a practical way that makes sense that you can't, it's not gonna be like, oh my god, he's just super strong because he got cheat powers. No, it's not like that. He actually puts a lot of effort into becoming strong. It's not just snap a finger, he's super strong for the most part. Yeah, there's a lot of romance in this. One of the funny things about this is that his personality back when he was alive in the other world always creeps out, and it's just funny to see him. Like the dude's perv. He's a perv, and he kind of lets his perviness creep out from here and there. But yeah, the female characters are really done well as well. They're all very unique. They're all completely different, of course, but like I don't think there's ever. I mean, as you can see, the girl with the red hair. I'm not gonna say her name because I forgot. I forgot. But she's a big prominent part in the story. What was her name? Shit, I'll remember it later. Yeah, most people are probably not gonna like her initially, but she grows on you very quickly. I ended up liking her character, and especially the type of character arc that they put her through. You're like, damn, that's pretty good. I like that. All right, so let's get on the last one. The time I got reincarnated as a slime season. Deuce.
俺はリムルテンペスト。一匹のスライムだ。今日もテンペストは平和そうで何よりだ。
I gotta go back and reread the manga. Trying to figure out where they're gonna end this up at. Yeah, this is another
と
one.
思ったら、こっちの世界でスライムに転生して、暴風竜ベルトラと友達になったり、魔物たちの国を作ったり、みんなを守るために戦って、シズさんの未練、子供たちも無事に助け出すことができた。
I just hate how they draw him as a trap.
なあランガ、こんな平和がずっと
That's
続
the
くといい
only
な。
thing. Like, fam, why you gotta make him look? Why you gotta make yourself look like that? Oh.
お初にお目にかかります。ジュラテンペスト連邦国の名手リムルテンペスト殿。
テンペストの発展のためにユーラザニアとの交流を決定したのだが、何やらとんでもないことに。
あなたの相手は私です。
そしてガゼル王に招待されてドワルゴンへ来ました。楽園へ。
俺はあの国王は好かん。あの王は欲深すぎる。リムル様、お
お逃げください。
何があった？
敵です。
Oh, okay, they're gonna go to this part of the story. Yep.
はじめましてかな。
Ooh.
もうすぐさようならだけど、君の町がね、邪魔なのよ。だから潰すことにしたの。
なんだって？
俺たちの新しい仲間、ウィザードのミューランだ。テンペストの重要性は一気に跳ね上がる。
テンペストを目障りに思う国もあるでしょうな。例えばファルムス王国など。
我らは人類の法を守る者として魔物の国など断じて認めぬ。面白くなってきました。大戦争が起こりますよ。
Fam,
私
someone get her
は
pants.
魔物と人
Still.
間の橋渡しとなるような国家を築きたいと願っております。
リウル様、
勝てる気でいるの？
勝ち誇るのはまだ早いと思うけどな。
All right.
転生したらスライ
I like the direction. I like the direction they're taking this. Okay, so the one arc that they might explore that arc. I think they will. I think that is. But yeah, things about to get crazy in this. Things about to heat up. Politics are about to go full overdrive and just overall conflict. And that's one thing I really like about Reincarnated as a Slime is that just like Mushoku Tensei, there's a lot of world building, and it's not just you're focusing solely. Of course, you're focusing solely on the main character, but you know there's other stuff happening around that makes you think like, okay, this world's a lot bigger than it is. So a lot of stuff is going to end up happening, and this is one of the cases where a lot of shit's gonna go down. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. It's definitely gonna be crazy. But yeah, I can't wait for this to come out. 2021 is gonna be great, man. I said it again, but 2021 is gonna be so great for anime. I can't wait. I'm gonna be watching a lot of anime. But yeah, this is Bojangle signing out. Thanks for sticking around watching. Without further ado, we out. Peace out.